Hello friends, how are you? Today I am very much excited. I think you search me and I am here. Hey, guys, welcome to a very exciting tutorial. Today we are going to be showing you how to get Ivona text-to-speech for free forever. Ivona is not free and pretty hard to crack. Since Ivona removed their demo version, crackers are having trouble for cracking it. But I will give you a portable version for free. If you don't know, I'm currently using Ivona. Now I am introducing myself. Hi, my name is Joey. I'm an Ivona text-to-speech voice created using BrightVoice technology. I think you'll find my American English voice expressive and confident. To find out for yourself, simply download and install. I look forward to reading any text you select. Now let's start. How to install. After downloading, you get a zip file like this. Now extract here. Now open the folder. In this folder, you can see two exe files. First one is a pulse text-to-speech, and the second one is Ivona. Install the first one, a plus text-to-speech, for as an Ivona speech synthesizer. Click OK. Click Next. I agree. Next. 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 Install. Finish and launch the A+ text-to-speech. Now type here whatever you want to convert text-to-speech. Now click the speak button.
Hello Topical. How are you? Hello Topical.
You can able to speed up and down for control voice scale.
Hello Topical. How are you? Hello Topical. How are you?
You can also find here Microsoft Zero, female voice.
Hello Topical. How are you? Hello Topical. How are you?
Hello Topical. How are you?
Now you can save this voice. WAV format.
Hello Topical. How are you? Hello Topical. How are you?
Now close this application. Now, install the second one of the following folder, called Ivona, for crystal clear American voice.
Welcome to Ivona text-to-speech setup wizard. To continue setup, press enter.
Click Finish. Now, open the A+ text-to-speech, and you can see Ivona 2. American Natural Crystal Clear Joy Voice is here. Again, typing here something, and select the Ivona 2 Joy Voice and press Speak. Hello Topical. How are you? That's all. Thank you for watching. I think this tutorial is helpful and easy to understand. If you like this tutorial, please Subscribe our channel, like, and share our videos for more exciting tutorials.